If gross evil alone led me to question the existence of God, what do I do with the emptiness that comes from pleasure? Most people I know who are thoroughly empty and leading lives of total meaninglessness are those who have expended themselves in pleasure, spent themselves in pleasure, and they walk away from that saying, it is all a chasing after the wind. I had dinner one night with the 7th wealthiest man in the world. I asked him, whatever brought you to inviting me to come and speak to your staff? He said, a little while ago, I phoned my wife from the 70th floor or something of my building, and I told her, I'm a very lonely man. She said, so am I. He said, what do we do? She said, I don't know, but there's a church opposite one of the apartment buildings we own. Maybe we should go there, then we won't have to pay for parking. You know what he told me? When he could buy everything he wanted, he had never reached such a lonely moment as that. Emptiness is real. They know they have no answers. And when they find that convicting truth of the gospel, the power to change, they want to see something different. And in Christ alone, that is possible.